Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to Unreal English, the podcast where you learn real English, one real conversation at a time.
And I'm Sarah. Today's episode is all about talking about your hobbies in English, how to speak naturally, confidently, and without stress.
Yep, this one's super practical because let's be honest, people love to ask, what do you like to do? And if your brain goes, this episode will really help you.
We'll learn real-life sentences, practice together, and of course, do some shadowing so you can sound smooth and confident.
So relax, grab your coffee or tea, and let's talk about something fun, your hobbies.
Let's start with a story. Meet Liam. He's from Italy. He just moved to London for university.
Liam is very smart. He reads English books, watches YouTube videos, and even writes essays in English.
But when he meets new people and they ask, "So, what do you do for fun?" his brain suddenly stops.
It's like everything he knows disappears. He tries to speak, but nothing comes out.
He knows words like football, music, and movie, but he can't put them into full sentences.
Exactly. He often says things like, I like play football friend, or I watch movies sometimes, or I like cooking food good.
And of course, people understand him, but it sounds broken and he feels embarrassed.
He told me, I understand everything in English, but when I try to speak, I don't know how to build the sentence.
This is very common. Many students memorize words, not sentences. You can know many words, but if you can't connect them, speaking becomes difficult.
So in this episode, we are going to fix that. We'll teach you how to talk about your hobbies naturally, not like a textbook, but like a real person.
We'll give you useful patterns, real examples, and a fun shadowing practice at the end.
By the time we're done, you'll be ready to talk about your hobbies anywhere, at school, at work, or with new friends.
Let's start simple. A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time, something that makes you happy, relaxed, or creative.
It can be anything: reading, painting, gaming, cooking, hiking, watching dramas, taking photos, playing guitar, doing fitness, drawing, learning languages, yoga, or taking care of pets.
So when someone asks about your hobbies, they're not testing your English. They just want to know more about you.
You don't need complicated words. You only need a few good sentence patterns.
Here are 5 golden patterns for talking about your hobbies. 1. I like plus verbing. I like reading books. I like watching movies. I like drawing. I like doing fitness. 2. I enjoy plus verbing. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy swimming in the sea. I enjoy learning languages. 3. I'm interested in plus noun or verbing. I'm interested in photography. I'm interested in yoga. I'm interested in taking care of pets. 4. My favorite hobby is plus verbing. My favorite hobby is painting. My favorite hobby is gardening. 5. In my free time, I verb. In my free time, I go jogging. In my free time, I play video games. In my free time, I take photos.
These 5 patterns are very powerful. With just them, you can make many natural sentences.
For example, if I say, I like reading, I can easily change one word. I like cooking. I like traveling. I like dancing.
Exactly. You don't need a huge vocabulary, just flexible patterns.
And when you add one adjective, the sentence becomes even better. I enjoy cooking delicious food. I like watching funny movies. I'm interested in modern photography.
See? Simple and natural. Now, let's listen to a real conversation using these patterns. So, Sarah, what do you like to do when you're not recording Unreal English?
I like painting. It helps me relax after work. And you?
I enjoy playing basketball. It's my favorite way to stay active.
Oh, nice. Are you interested in any other sports?
Yeah, I'm interested in swimming too, but I'm not very good at it.
Same here. I sometimes move too slowly in the water.
What else do you do for fun?
My favorite hobby is cooking. I can spend hours in the kitchen.
What kind of food do you cook?
Mostly Italian, pasta, lasagna, pizza. In my free time, I watch cooking shows and try new recipes.
Nice. I like watching movies in my free time, especially comedies and sci-fi.
Do you like Marvel movies?
Of course. Iron Man, Spider-Man, Doctor Strange. I enjoy their stories a lot.
I knew it. My favorite character is Wanda. She's powerful and interesting.
So if someone asked you, what are your hobbies, how would you answer?
Easy, I'd say. I like painting and cooking. I enjoy trying new recipes, and in my free time, I watch movies.
Perfect. Natural, simple, fluent.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Think for a moment. What are your hobbies? Say them out loud right now.
Pause. Yes, say them out loud, even if you feel shy. Speaking trains your brain and your mouth together.
Exactly. When you speak, even alone, your English becomes faster and easier.
All right, let's lock it in with shadowing.
We'll say each sentence. You listen, repeat, and follow the rhythm. Let's begin. I like reading books.
I like reading books.
I enjoy listening to music. I'm interested in photography.
I'm interested in photography.
My favorite hobby is cooking.
My favorite hobby is cooking.
In my free time, I play video games.
In my free time, I play video games.
I like going for long walks.
I like going for long walks.
I enjoy watching movies.
I enjoy watching movies.
I'm interested in learning new languages.
I'm interested in learning new languages.
My favorite hobby is painting.
My favorite hobby is painting.
In my free time, I spend time with friends.
In my free time, I spend time with friends.
Great job! You just practiced 10 real sentences that will help your English sound natural.
And don't worry if you made mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying, and trying means progress.
Exactly. Fluency is not about being perfect. It is about practicing again and again. Let's try a few real-life mini situations. These are short dialogues you can use in daily life.
Okay, imagine this. You meet someone new at a party. They ask, what do you like to do for fun? You can answer, in my free time, I enjoy watching movies and spending time with friends.
Next situation, a job interview. They ask, what are your hobbies? You can say, my favorite hobby is reading self-improvement books. I also enjoy cooking on weekends.
Now imagine you're chatting online with an English friend. They ask, so, what are you into these days? You can reply, I'm really interested in photography and learning English.
Perfect. These simple patterns can help you sound confident in any situation.
And if you forget a word, don't panic. You can always say, sorry, I don't know the English word, but I can explain or show you. People will understand.
Remember, confidence first, grammar later.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection.
All right, listeners, mini challenge time. I will say a hobby, and you make a full sentence. photography. You could say, I'm interested in photography.
Next one, music.
You could say, I enjoy listening to music.
How about movies?
You could say, I like watching movies.
Last one, English.
You could say, I'm interested in learning English. Nice! You are now officially hobby fluent.
Yes, and you can make your English even better by adding a because sentence. For example, I like reading because it makes me feel calm. I enjoy running because it gives me energy.
That because sentence adds emotion. It makes your English sound alive and personal.
Let's be honest for a moment. Many learners say, I don't have anyone to talk to, so I can't practice.
But the truth is, you can practice with yourself.
Exactly. Talk out loud when you cook, clean, drive, or walk. For example, I'm making coffee. I'm listening to music. I'm relaxing.
That is daily English in action. It helps you think in English without stress.
When you do this every day, English becomes part of your life, not something you only study from a book.
So here is your challenge for this week. Write down your top 3 hobbies. Then make 3 full sentences for each one. Practice them every day, morning, afternoon, and night.
After 1 week, you will feel a big difference in your confidence.
And if you want to improve even faster, record yourself and listen. This helps you hear your pronunciation and your progress.
Correct. You will be surprised how quickly your English improves when you practice out loud.
You did it! You learned how to talk about your hobbies in English, simply, naturally, and confidently.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Unreal English. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.
Tell us, what is your favorite hobby? We'll read your answers in the next episode.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need courage and consistency.
Exactly. Speak English every day, even for 5 minutes, and your progress will be real.
Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking Unreal English.